A winter storm that continued to wreak havoc in the south and northeast Thursday has forced the cancellation of sporting events for the second straight day. Due to hazardous weather conditions, a pair of men's basketball games featuring top 25 teams were postponed. Number 13 Louisville at Temple and number 23 SMU at Rutgers. Both games have been rescheduled for Friday night. Game times have not yet been announced. Other Division I men's games scheduled for Thursday night that have been postponed include Charleston Southern at High Point and Bryant at Mount St. Mary's.